I am Ujjawal Kantt, and this is my task scheduler project built entirely with pure PHP, no frameworks, no external libraries, and no database. Just raw, clean code using the SRC folder, following all assignment constraints. So now I am going to start by running the PHP server, which is localhost at 8000 port. Now the server is running. I will just go to that server. So this is the project. Let's start with core adding, completing and deleting the task. You can see I have added certain tasks like cooking food, writing an email and Gmail. I have also checked it as it has been done already. It has been assigned with the checkbox and other things. All of these datas are being stored in the JSON form, which is text.txt, task.txt. Here I can see completed true. These all satisfy the assignment constraint. Here I will just let's add a new task like studying. Now the new task has been added and it will reflect in the task.txt as completed false because it has not been ticked, and if I click as it has been completed, then it will marked as true, as you can see here. Now let's talk about the email subscription part. Here we need to write the email, like I will add one of the one like, and when I press on the subscribe button, it will send a mail at it will send a mail like here I can see a loader is running, and a new pop-up will come when the email has been sent. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, here I can see that the subscription link has been sent to your email. So I'm just gonna go to the mail and check whether I will receive, whether we have received the email or not. That email ID, I need to log in. So here I can see that one of the mail has been come. Like click the link below to verify your subscription to Task Planner. So when I click on the verify subscription, I will be subscribed to all the tasks whether I will get or not. So if I press on it, yeah, here I can see the subscription verification. Your email has been successfully verified and subscribed. Now this will be changed in the txt file, like here the subscriber txt. A new email id has been added where it was not present before the subscription, and if I have not verified it, it will be assigned in the pending subscription, which here I can see that one of the email id with a certain code and timestamp has been already present. So how it works: when I enter an email and hit subscribe, it sends a verification email with a 6-digit embedded code. Here I can see that this is the code, embedded code, and the email gets moved. Once clicked, the email gets moved from pending subscription, which is here pending subscription.txt, to subscriber.txt, like it has been added already. This link is dynamically generated and follow all the assignment constraints. So now one more thing I would like to add here: to send emails locally with PHP's mail function, which has been told in the assignment, I have configured send mail relay to Gmail's SMTP server. This avoids using any third-party email libraries and complies with no external dependency rules. Like what I want to say here, that we need to set up the send mail SMTP server so that the email will be sent. If that send mail is not set up in the locally server, then it will not be sent. So send mail setup need to be done. Now the unsubscribe feature. This is the cron PHP, which will call the send task reminder, which is in the function.php. This is Windows. I have included a cron job that runs cron.php, which is this one, every hour using setup cron.sh. Since this is the sh scripts, this fetches pending task from the pending subscription, and emails all verified subscribers. This cron setup is automatic, no manual edits needed. But here is one catch. For Windows, since we know that cron doesn't run natively on Windows, I am going to use manually to show whether the unsubscription mail will be sent or not. But if we want to automate it, we can use WSL or task scheduler for testing in the Windows operating system. But if the OS is Mac OS or Linux, this setup cron.sh will be run automatically. No need to do anything. For Windows, I need to do manually, or whether I can use WSL or task scheduler. So now I need to run this file, that is cron.php, manually, because Windows doesn't support the sh script file natively. Now I will run, and it will send unsubscribe from notification link to all the subscribed members. It means it will send to this email and this email, because these are the only things in the subscriber.txt. Now it is still running. I will just gonna wait for it. Yeah, it has been done. Now I will check whether I received it or not. So I have sent to this ID. I'm just gonna open it. So this is my ID. As you can see, the same ID here open. Yeah. So I received a pending task reminder that Jim. Here are the current pending tasks, Jim. As you can see here. Wait. So Jim has not been checked. So only this is being shown in the verify part, and if I click on the unsubscribe from notification, this email ID will be moved from this to the pending subscription. So like if I unsubscribe from notification, is just saying that you have successfully unsubscribed from task reminders, and you can see this has been successfully unsubscribed from notification. So now the conclusion part. Everything is inside the SRC folder. All features follow the README guidelines, and data is stored in pure JSON format in .txt files. This one, and this one. The UI uses pure PHP and simple styling with inline loaders and feedback. No JavaScript is used here, pure PHP is used. Thanks for watching. All setup instructions are in the notes.md. This is the file. It explains all the things that needs to be done so that the project will be run locally. Feel free to test the flow locally. I have made sure everything works out of the box. Thanks for watching.